Hi everyone, today we are going to install Docker for Windows and we'll create, download and load some Docker images. So let's go. So it's very easy tool. You can search for in Linux. Basically, you have a terminal window. You can install it there. But let's see. So when you go here, you will find this. Okay, Docker desktop for window, Docker desktop window 8664 on the Microsoft Store. So basically, it's available on Microsoft Store also, App Store. You can install from there also. So Docker desktop for window, ARM processor. For different processor, you can use this. So I'll download from here. Okay, so it's asking me to download. So I'm giving it a try and I started downloading. So basically, it is of size 532 MB. So let's wait for it to complete the download. Then we'll see. We'll install it and we'll explore it a bit. So basically, Docker runs different images like containers. So containers are nothing but small images of anything, be it an operating system or be it any software. So installation is done. So basically, let's see. I'll tell you. Let's read a bit. Okay. So what is Docker? We'll read first. Okay. So here it's simple. You can run more later. But just for introduction, Docker is a set of platform as a service product that uses OS level virtualization to deliver software in packages called containers. The सर्विस हैज बोथ सो डॉकर एक सेवा में उत्पादों के रूप में प्लेटफॉर्म पर बेसिकली इट प्रोवाइड्स virtualization and when you want to run something you can create an image of that and run it. So earlier it used to happen that suppose a developer is working on a machine and he or she has set up all the environment variables, all the environment requirement, and when that code was sent for testing or sent on other machine to run, due to lack or unavailability of some environment variable or some software or some library, it used to fail a lot. So what Docker provides us like run as is, like so the developer, what they will do, they will create the software or the application. They will pack it in a Docker image, and the Docker image will be nothing but the Docker image. You can run it on anywhere. Like so, wherever this Docker runtime is there, you can run that image as is, and you will not get any issue with the environment libraries or variables or any setup related issues. So you can take that image and you can run it anywhere. So we have this is Docker Hub. Okay, so we have Docker Hub where you have these many images already pre-built. Okay, so basically you can download this and you can run it as such on your system. You don't have to set up anything related to these images. So everything which are required to run this image will be there in the that container itself. Okay. So see, Postgres, if you want to run Postgres as an image, you can download and run it. MySQL, Neo4j, everything is available. You can see there are a lot of, it's a very big list of images that are available here. So we'll see some. Okay. So give me 1 second. So let it run. So what I'll do, meanwhile it installation happens, I'll walk you through this website. So let install. Okay. So Docker setup. So this is how installation begins. Docker initialization, verifying package. So use WSL instead of Hyper-V. Okay. Basically WSL is a lightweight process. And Hyper-V both are virtualization things. So You can if you want you can disable it, so it will use Hyper-V. I basically prefer WSL, so WSL2. So I'll take this, allow Windows containers to be used with this installation. I'm not sure about this option, allow Windows containers to be used with this. I'm not sure. Add shortcut to the desktop. I don't need it. I just need it in the start menu. Okay. So I let it everything as such. Okay. So basically installation has started. So let the installation run. I'll walk you through this. So suppose these are the categories of which the different Docker images are available to be run. So developer tool, Docker, Bash, Gradle. So these things something. One second, Linux. Okay, wait. I'll tell you something which will be easy to understand. One second. Monitoring, message queuing, database. Okay. So suppose you want to run a database, be it a Memcache or Redis or Postgres or Mongo. So instead of downloading the executable of database, what you can do, you can download the image, this image, and run it as such. So it will not affect anything on your system. Okay. And suppose you will have an image there, you can run the database, and also you can create an application, embed and in that application based on that application. So you also can create Docker images, okay, which you can then upload it here, and it will be accessible to whole. Okay, so let's see if download is okay. So installation is done. So let's start the Docker now. Docker for desktop. Okay, so let us start. Okay, accept. What email ID? What? Welcome to Docker. Work. Okay, better I'll do it like this. I'll sign in with this. Okay, open. So this basically asks to sign in. Okay, you can skip it if you want. Okay, platform. Okay, back. Platform engineer, debugging image, learning, teaching, data science, something. Whatever you want, you can select. It's up to you. Okay, so this has started. So what is a container? You can see creating a simple project for you to explore what Docker desktop can do. Okay, unable to pull, new detail, some error is there. It failed to copy, HTTP secret, failed to open, failed to request get. I'm not sure this is available or something. Let it be. How to run a Docker. Next. Git clone, GitHub do Docker. Welcome to Docker. So, okay, next. You can explore it a bit. So I'll tell you how to. Um, okay, but I'll enable AI also. That will be better. So this is a new feature after AI has come. What is Docker? Okay. So let's see. Search an image to learn. So suppose I want to run a MySQL. Okay. So see, these are the different MySQL instances that are available in Docker. So you can download any one of this and run it. So I'll suppose. Okay. So this is Ubuntu. So okay. So you can download this and you can run it. Okay. Suppose I'll do this. Okay, I'll pull. So basically, you have to pull, so it will download the image from the internet, and then you can run that image. Okay, so when you download it, it's an image. When you run it, it's container run. Not sure it's not able to download it. Somehow some issue is there. It's throwing me this run in. Okay, run a new container run. Okay, so basically the container is running. Inspect bind mounts. Okay, here you can specify the mount points. exe upgrade to execute command to run container. Enable Docker mode to bring the tools. You need to debug your container even if not running. Activate subscription is required. Fine, no problem. So suppose if you find this, if you don't want to use this or you don't want to buy anything, what you can do, you can install Docker as such and you can manage yourself. So that will be easier. Okay, so this is not pulling actually, not sure why. Let's see, that is, I'll try to install NGINX, pull new version available. It says here something. What is your software update? Current version is this. Okay, let's update it then. Not sure. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for update and we'll see. We'll, we'll play with this update and restart. Fine. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's closed. It's updating it. Let's wait for it. This is a very good tool actually. You can learn about it. This Kubernetes, Docker, OpenShift. These are the basically container or like container orchestration tool. These are used to manage the containers basically. Okay, so containers are nothing but small applications that are packed inside an image and which runs under the Docker runtime or be it any other runtime. Okay, so its update has been done. It is not starting itself, so let's start it. Okay, it's not starting. Okay, okay, LLM. Okay, so it's starting now. Personal. Docker engine is underlying technology that runs Docker. Okay, so basically, Docker engine manages these containers. So instead of so earlier it used to happen that you will get an executable file which would be very large. Clear search NGINX. One two letters NGINX. Pull. Let's see if again we are getting error in pulling it. So let's see. Okay, so it's pulling it. So this time I think maybe okay, run, run, post port. Okay, so I'm leaving this as such, so you can add the volumes here. Like you want to attach some disk to this container, you can add this environment variable. If you want to set anything, you can set here. Let's run it as such. Okay, it is running now. Okay, and the next is running. And we'll see the port number. Okay, port number here. We'll get the port number somewhere. Okay, I'll try to open. Let's see. I'll copy and try to search the port number which we can open. Open port binding. Okay, next 80. Port number 80 is running. Let's open it. Try to open if NGINX is running or not. 80. No, it's not open. So let's see. Bind mounts execute Docker debug file. So basically we are here ls it's still not found. Okay, cd etc. So basically we are inside that image here. So using this Docker for desktop is big makes it very easy to manage it. So basically we are inside this image and this is the file system. Okay. So we can see if you want to add, remove anything, files. Okay, this it's showing basically the graphical version stats. So basically it's running. Okay, so NGINX is running, but I'm not sure why I'm not able to open the tar worker process. Build NGINX, get in, inspect. Okay, Docker entry point.sh. Mhm. IP address, it's taken IP address is this. Let's open it. This is trying. Okay, so it's open now. You can see. Continue. Wait for a second. Let's see. Okay, okay. It's not opening. Not sure why. We can see logs should be there. Inspect. We'll go and try to check the logs. Okay. cd where hello gs dir cd cd ls hyphen dot NGI. So we'll see NGINX. Okay, VIM, NGINX. Immigration of there, VI, NGINX. Very not nano. Nano is also there. Tail, tail is there. Okay. TL, FMN, X. Tail invalid number of lines in NGINX. TIL, TIL, NGINX. What? CD, NGINX engine. This is a directory actually. cd NGINX. Yeah. TIL. TIL hyphen 20 ERR dot G. Okay. Let's see. It's not opening. We'll try here where log nginx error. It's not opening. Open the open file editor. Here cannot show container in this level, not regular file it is. Okay. This is also not right reading it. There will be some error actually. That's why. So okay. So if you want to remove this or stop it, stop container stop, delete forever. So basically we have stopped the container, deleted the container, and this is the image we had downloaded. So I'll delete the image. Okay. So let's try some other image. Okay. So okay. These all have been downloaded. So I'll delete all of these. Okay. Okay. Container build models. Okay. You can run models also. Docker hub. Okay. Python is internet. Let's see. We'll try to pull this image. and try to run something. But I just want to show you how it runs. Maybe some configuration has to be done on NGINX site, so that I could not run. So container name, something. I just gave the name. You can give anything. Okay. This is running. Okay, exited 0 second. So because it exit, like it has exited, it didn't run properly. Okay, files, no container, no running, unable to show the. Okay, it's not running. Okay, it's giving some error. Okay, some. Okay, basically this is the one Python 3 start analysis. Packages. Python, there's something there, high severity. Okay, run this. Not able to enter here. Restart. Kernel need to be started to access some nodes, so it's not starting. Log is also not there. Let's see, delete this. Okay. Python, something I should say. I need to do some configuration. I know. I just want to demo it. So for now, I just wanted to demo it. That's all. Let's see if I can run this. Run support reference. Okay. Has pulled it. So I'll check. The container has not come. Image it's downloading currently. Docker Hub image. Okay, okay. These are downloaded. Let's run it. Okay, so MySQL root password. You need to specify one of the following in environment variable. Okay, let's see. I'll do one thing. Control C. I'll stop it. Okay, configuration. Okay, ask for container uses pull push. Okay. Match. Suppose I want to run it. Exiting. Okay. So these things we have to specify in the environment variable. So let's see. I'll put it in Notepad. Okay. Let's see where I can run time. File stats. Yeah. Containers. Okay. What I'll do. Let's see where I can make the edit. It's where somewhere settings should be there. Settings. Okay. Copy. Clear terminal. Okay. View file. View details. Okay. It's going to details only. View files. Copy. Open terminal. Pause. Restart. View detail. View image package and CPA. Only show the running container. You need to specify one of the following as an environment variable. SQL empty password. Okay. Somewhere I need to change this, but clear terminal. Okay. Some options should be there. I'm not sure where is it. Um, delete. I'll download it again. Okay. Oh, okay. Here it is. I'll be able to Okay, here container name my MySQL. Sorry about that. Host port. Enter 0 to assign random generated host port. Randomly generated host port. Something. Okay, fine. That's 0. Okay, I'll put 0. Fine. Host path. Volume. Let it be. I don't want to enter volume now. I'll put this. We need to specify this. Allow empty passwords. I'll do this for now. True. Oh, okay. So let's run it now. Okay. Okay. It's showing. This is the basic log. We can see what all going on. So MySQL ready to connection version. Okay. So basically MySQL is ready for connection. If you have a client, you can connect it. Okay. Let's see. I, we can check it here. MySQL. Okay. So 80 yes. Okay, so see, this is where like I'm inside the container and inside the MySQL. So like this, you can work, or if you want, you can connect to the terminal. Okay, so I'll stop it now. So like this, instead of downloading the executable of MySQL, what you can do, you can download this container. Okay, and you can run it like this anytime if you want. You can delete it as you like. Okay, delete. Deletion any animation volume. Okay, delete. The content will basically delete it, and this image will delete. Okay. So see, this is a container. So when an image runs, that becomes a containers. And this is image list. So whatever images you will download it here, those will be here. Once you run that, that will come under the container basically. Okay. So this is volumes. You can create volumes here like volume one, something, any name you can give. Okay, volume one, and import, select folder. You can give any folder here. Suppose I'm giving download folder. Wait, download. Okay. No, this was asking for some password. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so local file, local image. You can give any image. Full registry. Okay. What it says, volume import. Okay, upgrade. Container in use, stored containers, delete the volume, no problem. Build a large multi-platform Docker image. I will build setting. Okay, so you can create you can create your own image also. Okay, models, Docker Hub, Docker Scout. When I see the Docker Scout extensions, there are different extensions that are available. So remote Docker, manage and monitor remote Docker environment by SSH tunneling, log viewer. All these things are there. So there are a lot to explore, but in one small video I cannot explore everything. I just wanted to let you know that how we install it and from where we install it and what are the options that we generally run. Okay. So let's see, let's use Gordon. Okay, we'll see. I want to run a Kubernetes cluster. Let's see what it says. Download and install Docker. Okay. Enable Kubernetes in Docker Desktop. Open Docker Desktop. Navigate to settings. Okay, let's go to setting. Here Kubernetes should be there. Update. Stay still asking for install the update. Okay, let's see. Kubernetes, enable Kubernetes, kubeadmin kind, show system containers advanced. Okay, so basically we have done the apply and restart. Okay, under settings. Okay, close this setting. Now I think Kubernetes should be available. So we have done this. Verify Kubernetes, run qsql, get nodes. Where should I run? Where should I run? Enable Kubernetes. I think something ask Gordon. Docker Scout. Where should I run? Before running, once Docker desktop restart, you can verify that Kubernetes is running by checking the state of Docker desktop dashboard. Where is the dashboard? Docker home. Okay. Okay. So let's restart it once. See. Docker desktop. So it's opening. Let's wait for it. What I'll do, I'll delete this. I'll clean from here. Docker is not started. Let's see why it's not started. It is taking time to start. Let's see. Okay, so we'll do something on Kubernetes in next video. So let's stop it here. So because this video will be bigger, the aim of this video was to show you how to download and install and configure the Docker and run few simple images. So that I've done it. So we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Please do like, support, share. Thank you.